Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. What we've got here is a can opener. Compliments of yours truly. Made in USA. And of course, Scott loves Brittany. Why is that? Well, she's having a hard time getting can jars open. So this is a... I'll make sure this is good and tight. Okay. What you do is you mount this underneath your counter. If you've got an island where there's an overhang of a piece of wood, you can mount this with these 4 screws. It's just piece of plywood secured down to a couple of 1x2s with 40 grit sandpaper. And you slide it in and rotate and back off a little bit again. The jar is broken loose, so I'll tighten up again. You just kind of roll it in. Yep, that was tight. Then to get it out, you roll it back out. Hope you caught that. You should have. There we go. So I'm going to go mount it and we'll see it in action. Hang tight. Okay, so here we go. We decided to mount it to the left side of the island, right there where all the battles occur for food. Jar goes in. Rotate. And then you got to kind of tighten to walk it back out. Tighten it up again. Alright. You just slide it in, walk it back, and it loosens the jar. And to get it out, you got to kind of tighten again, but it's loose. Alright. The only thing that you can do different is it's straight on one side and it's at a slight angle on the other so that it tapers inward as you go back. The only thing you could do to change this is to make it longer, because I screwed up. I did not give it the wiggle room it needs to handle this jar. I was off by a wee bit. I got it though. I got the pickle jar to come off. You just gotta cram it in there. Alright guys. DIY can opener. See ya.